Self-sabotage. That's an unkind word for when your behavior doesn't match your core values, your true self. Perhaps a kinder way to describe it is negative subconscious programming. That's thoughts, beliefs, or emotions that you may have picked up over the course of your life, perhaps even as a child, that contribute to behavior that doesn't gel with who you are today. Whether you're stuck in respect to your health, relationships, money, or career, perhaps the simplest, fastest, and most pleasant way to come into alignment with yourself is hypnotherapy. Hypnosis is both a scientifically proven and time-tested way to support your goals and become the person you were meant to be. I'm Ann Nygren-Doherty, medical support and clinical hypnotherapist, and this Saturday I'm holding a free 1-hour Zoom workshop called Create the Life You Want. In it, you'll learn the truth about hypnosis, how it works, and the science behind it. And you'll get to experience a brief sample of hypnotherapy so that you can determine for yourself if hypnotherapy is right for you. Sign up in the attached link. I'm looking forward to helping you create the life you want.